Alright, we're doing a batten system. We have some different options. You can take a regular 2x2, go right to the decking. You can do a counter batten system where we put a 1x4 on our rafters and then put the 2x2 on top of that. The third option we're showing here today is going to be our elevated batten system, or EBS. It's a 2x2 with pucks located every foot. And then we're going to go ahead and fasten with an exterior grade screw or a ring shank nail long enough to penetrate the structure 1 inch. All three of the following steps will be the same. So first we're going to go ahead and place our eve batten. We want to make sure that the top nose is even with my fascia board. So you can take a straight edge like our batten spacer and go ahead and put that right on there and then fasten in every puck, making sure that our front nose is straight with that fascia. And then we need a 1/2 inch overhang. So when we're playing with the barrel vault, the exposure for barrel vault is 14 inches. So we're going to go ahead and chalk a line approximately 13.5 inches. Make sure that we have our 1/2 inch overhang and make sure we're staying straight. Now after we go ahead and chalk that line, always come in the middle of your run and make sure I measure that to make sure that the panel is going to fit. Then after that, we're just going to come with that first batten and we're going to bring it down and we're going to bring the front nose even with our chalk line. And then we'll fasten every puck. Then we'll come back with our batten spacer. Black is for barrel vault. Go ahead and hook that panel just like that. And then come over with the next batten and fasten that. Making sure the battens are nice and tight with each other on that batten spacer. And then we'll just go ahead and continue up the roof, moving our batten spacers, and continue battening up to the ridge.